All right, next case court is calling is 2012-293, State of Arkansas versus Barbara Byers.
Your Honor, I represent Miss Byers, and I'll enter my appearance on her behalf. As the court's aware, this is a reappearance. I don't know if a new FTA has been filed or not, Mr. Etheridge. There hasn't been. Okay. So no issues with arraigning on any new charges today, Judge.
Just this matter is on Judge Putman's docket, and there are scheduling orders entered. They're all for 2013, and so what I'm going to do is set this Ms. Byers off to reappear in front of Judge Putman on February 5th.
Thank you, Your Honor.
So do I have a bond or what?
At this point,
Judge, if I could address, there's a hold out of Florida, out of Charlotte County, Florida, and there might be a hold out of another county here in Arkansas. Ms. Byers, that's what we discussed. We have to get those issues resolved, and I'm in discussions with the prosecutor about how to resolve those, and then we'll approach the court about law.
It'll definitely should be taken up on February 5th. You may be excused. Court calls 2014-4, State of Arkansas versus Jack Cummins. The file reflects that on the 21st day of January, he was served with a warrant at the Baxter County Detention Facility.
Your Honor, I think the situation with Mr. Cummins is that he is incarcerated in the state of Missouri. He is brought here by the state on a motion that he had filed. Your Honor, there has been a plea offer made in this case. Because of the timing of Mr. Cummins getting here, he and I have not discussed that plea offer. I would like for him to be brought over. I think that we'll be able to plead this case out today.
All right. I'll put him down to be to return this afternoon at 1:30.
That'd be great, Judge.
You may be excused for now. Be brought over this afternoon.
Yes, sir.
All right. Next, we have 2014-84, 2011-284, State of Arkansas versus Randy Dillbeck.
He is here for a bond reduction hearing.
We had if I remember right, we had a forensic evaluation.
The psych eval has come back and he's found competent in all regards to stand trial or proceed. We have received a copy of that.
And there's no issue of contesting the findings of the evaluation.
No, sir.
All right.
So we're ready to proceed. You know, the reason we have it scheduled today, we requested it be done because we had requested of the prosecutor a bond reduction. He's been on a $50,000 bond. This is not a murder case, rape, drugs, anything like that. It was a problem of vandalizing, allegedly, his brother's equipment, breaking out windshields and slashing tires at his brother's place of business. And he has been in jail now, I believe it's 10 months. Randy, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Have you been in jail 10 months?
Yes.
He cannot make the $50,000 bond. We believe that he is entitled to make a reasonable bond. The bond for this type of crime, of vandalism, it's a felony. At $50,000, it's unreasonable. And I believe that he's entitled to be given a bond reduction, so that he can get to the point where he can make a bond and get out, assist in his trial.
First of all, I think the court's going to direct that the court has a copy of the forensic evaluation, and will direct that that'll be filed under seal in a copy in each of the two files. Trying to make sure I think we have We're on a revocation proceeding in 2011-284, and then there was the new trial in 2014-84. I think is a new case, and we'll need to set up a scheduling order on it. And the court's going to set that down set both of these matters down for trial at that time, both on the revocation and on the newer charges, unless the defense demands an earlier hearing on the revocation. And so I'm going to fight the waiver of the 60-day requirement on that at this point, and we'll set them both down for trial during that week of March 15th. I'm setting it down for pretrial on February 12th. Take them up on that day.